Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and manage MySQL databases using cPanel. MySQL databases are essential for managing large amounts of information on the web, and they're necessary for running many web-based applications, such as bulletin boards, content management systems, and online shopping carts. So why wait? Let's do this. First up, we're going to create a MySQL database. After you log into your cPanel account, find the Databases section and click on MySQL Databases. You'll see a field labeled Create New Database. Just type in the name you want for the database. For example, let's name it TrueHoscom_trial. Once you've entered the name, click Create Database. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know your database is created successfully. Next, let's create a user who can access this database. Scroll down to the MySQL User section. Under Add New User, you'll need to enter a username, let's say TrueHoscom_trial, and a strong password that's a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Once you've filled that in, click Add User. You should see a success message confirming that your user has been created. Now we need to link the user to the database we just created. In the same MySQL Databases section, look for the Add User to Databases option. Select the user you created and then choose the database you also created from the drop-down menus. Click Add. Here you can assign specific privileges to this user, like select, insert, update, or delete. Check the boxes for the permissions you want, then click Make Changes to save. Alternatively, in the Databases section, you could click on MySQL Database Wizard and follow the steps to create a new database, add a user to the database, and assign them privileges. To manage existing databases or users, everything is straightforward from the MySQL Databases page. Here's how to do it. 1. Viewing current databases. After logging back into your cPanel, go to the MySQL Databases section again. You'll see a list under Current Databases. Here you can view all your databases, their sizes, and their privileged users. You can also rename a database here. 2. Modifying databases. You can make changes to databases under this section. If you want to check a database, you can select the database from the drop-down menu and click on Check Databases next to it to perform a quick check. If you want to repair a database, you can also select one from the drop-down menu and click on the Repair Databases option next to the database name to fix any potential issues. 3. Managing users. In the MySQL Users section, you'll see a list of all the users associated with your databases. If you need to add another user to an existing database, simply select the database and the user you want to add and click on Add. Assign them privileges and click Make Changes. Your database now has one more user. To change a user's password, click on the Change Password link next to their username under Current Users, enter a new password, and confirm it. You can also rename or delete a user here. 4. Updating user privileges. If you want to modify an existing user's permissions, find the user in the current databases on the Privileged Users column and click on their name. This will take you to the Privilege Management section where you can check or uncheck permissions like select, insert, or delete. After making your changes, be sure to click Make Changes to save. 5. Deleting databases. If there's a database you no longer need, you can delete it. But first, make sure to back up any important data. Once you're ready, find the database in the current databases list and click Delete next to its name. Confirm the deletion, and just like that, it's gone. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so be cautious. And that's it. Creating and managing MySQL databases in cPanel is pretty straightforward. Whether you're running a website or maintaining an app, these tips will help you stay organized and keep your data secure. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.